Hello mga kapakals! Good day Davao! Live lately, this is our proof of life recording our current ganap bilang isang pamilya ninirahan dito sa safest city sa Pilipinas. As an eater like us, alam mo na mga food lover, foodie, bookbanger, taste tester, lahat na ata. Sobrang saya talaga when we get invited to events that help us understand our tummy more. Let's be honest with our lifestyle na halos araw-araw may kainan, food trip at minsan pa nga mukbang galore. Hindi na namin napapansin na sobra na pala kaya minsan constipated, minsan bloated, minsan parang bigat na bigat ang feeling. Pero guess what? It's so nice to know na kahit mahilig tayong kumain, we can still take care of our gut health. Buti na lang nakilala namin itong Eden Flora, a probiotic supplement made for adults with 30 billion CFU.
So usually, pag nagkakaroon ng flooding, pag nagkakaroon ng harsh winds or typhoons, yung food natin contaminate. Hindi natin na may make sure minsan yung mga produce na binibili natin is clean and safe even though na, alam mo yun, even though trusted natin yung important components kung bakit very effective siya as a probiotic.
Kaya maganda talaga itong i-add sa diet namin. It helps break down the food we eat. So hindi lang laging bloated or constipated. And it keeps the good bacteria in our tummy para strong always happy ang ating digestive system. Dahil alam mo ba 70% of our immune system is our gut, probiotic helps strengthen that. Para every bite, sulit ang nutrients we get from our food. When our tummy feels good, our mood and energy levels follow. Pag gut happy, life happy. So ayan mga kapakas, kahit gaano pa kadami ang kainin natin, next food crawl or buffet, at least alam nating may Eden Flora na tutulong mag-balance ng ating gut health. Ayun lang po for today's video mga kapakas. Bye!